Senate President Jesus Escudero said the Senate will tackle the Supreme Court's ruling on the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte on August 6, giving senators time to review the 97-page decision. More in this report.
The Senate will deliberate on the Supreme Court's ruling on the impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte on August 6. Senate President Francis Escudero said lawmakers need more time to study the 97-page decision, which includes separate opinions from multiple justices.
The matter will be decided upon by the Senate on August 6, 2025, when we open session on that date, in order to afford ample and sufficient time to the members to study the 97-page Supreme Court decision.
Senate Minority Leader Tito Soto said he was the one who proposed the date. He noted that while some senators wanted to immediately dismiss the complaint, they ultimately agreed to allow more time for deliberation.
Sabi ko, let's meet halfway. Wednesday next week. I'll give ample time for everyone to study.
Senator Mig Zubiri added that many senators are not lawyers and need time to fully understand the ruling.
Marami kasi sa ating mga kasamahan, katulad ko na hindi po kami abogado, gusto po natin pag-aralan na mabuti yung 90-plus page decision ng Supreme Court. Pumayag naman yung iba na gusto talaga i-dismiss today.
Despite the pending Senate vote, Escudero stressed that the Supreme Court's decision is clear. The impeachment case is unconstitutional and void from the start.
Nagdesisyon ng Korte Suprema, sang-ayon ka man doon o hindi, dapat ito'y sundin. Kung hindi, magkakaroon tayo ng constitutional crisis.
He said the SC found that the House violated due process and the one-year ban rule on filing impeachment complaints, effectively stripping the Senate of jurisdiction.
Nakasaad din sa desisyon ng Korte Suprema, hindi nagkaroon mulat-mula ng jurisdiction ang Senado doon sa impeachment complaints dahil sa paglabag sa Bill of Rights, particular due process of law.
The House had earlier said it will file a motion for reconsideration to the SC decision. But according to the Senate President, it's unlikely the Supreme Court will overturn this anonymous decision.